Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. And this one comes with some upgrades installed right here at Prince George Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit, sitting on some 20-inch fuel rims with some 35-inch General GABBER X3s, off-road tires. You've got Bulletproof Mudflaps on the front and rear tires and pocket-style fender flares to go with the big wheels. And looking at the back, where you have your power tailgate, which with 2 clicks of a button comes down. And then looking at the new tailgate, which has a rugged work surface with measurements and just being tougher in general. You got holes there for your clamps, and Power Onboard here in the back to power your tools or whatever else you need, and does go back up with 2 clicks of a button. But let's take a look inside. And now looking in the back, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior, and in the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle here with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and a 120-volt power outlet, as well as having heated rear seats. Seats can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, which is fully digital, and you can look at things such as your trip 1 and 2 information, your eco behavior, auto start stop status, driver assistance features, and fuel economy. Then you can also back out of that and go to your truck info, such as tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, seat belts, and driver assistance again. Then you have your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And then on the left side, where you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology and lane keeping system, and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom side of both sides. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, your vehicle settings, so you can mess with a bunch of your features. Do also have whatever apps you may have installed, and general settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. And vehicle features such as driver assistance, Power Onboard, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your vehicle and hopefully avoid hitting anything. With dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, hazards, traction control shut off, and your B&O audio system in this vehicle, so your music's going to sound pretty decent. And to the left of your screen, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 selector with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector here. You have normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and then you can go to the opposite end for things such as tow haul, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. But then moving on to the right side, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet there, as well as this button to open up the hatch above your glove box, and your climate controls in the middle now, with dual front climate, heated and air-conditioned front seats, and even a heated steering wheel, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. You also have this compartment down here with a USB and USB-C, as well as a slot for your phone while it's charging. Then moving on to your center, where you have 2 cup holders and your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and it is also collapsible, so you can have more space here, and also unfold your mobile workstation sort of thing if you want to work in your truck or have something to put your food on while you're eating. It is there. Could come in very handy. And then it is also a lockable center compartment / armrest with removable tray, and inside you have a ton of room, including another USB and USB-C. And then looking back, you do have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, a twin panel moonroof, so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck and wouldn't mind one with some upgrades installed, this is certainly an excellent choice. Feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.